How old are you, Jovie?
3.
Alright, here we go. Turn your tail straight. Turn your tail straight. That's it. That's it. Alright, pirouettes. Alright. Nose in, Jovie. Alright. Oh. Here we go again. Turn your tail straight. Atta boy. Nice landing. Press forward. Remember forward. With the other stick, turn your tail straight. Turn your tail straight. That's it. Oh, okay, stop. Yep. I get it for you. There we go, the little FHX. Okay, there we go. Here we go again. There we go, guys. Got a 3-year-old flying it. They're gonna be pros by the time they're teenagers, making me look like I don't know what I'm doing probably. Look at that, Jovie nose in. All right. All right, pirouettes. Good job, buddy. You want to upload this video to YouTube? Okay. We're gonna upload it to YouTube? Yeah? You did such a good job. Keep your tail straight. That's it. Do a pirouette. Fly up. Do a pirouette. Do a pirouette, Jovie. Spin the tail around. Oh, stop. Yeah. Try again. Yeah. All right. Is the battery dying?